In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hostinger balance. If you've ever wondered about keeping an eye on your Hostinger account balance, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate Hostinger's platform and easily check your balance. So let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by heading over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Hostinger if that's easier for you. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're at the login page, enter your account credentials, the email and password you typically use for Hostinger. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is where you can manage all your website related tasks and of course check your account balance. Once you're in the H panel, focus over on the left hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find a menu with various options. What we're looking for is the billing section, so go ahead and click on that. In the billing section, you have multiple options designed to help you manage your payments and balance effectively. The section we're interested in today is payment methods. Clicking onto this will bring up all the details relating to how you can add or manage different ways to fund your Hostinger account. Now, under the payment methods screen, you will see an option for Hostinger balance. This is exactly where you want to be to see your current balance and any credits or debits on your account. You may also find it helpful to periodically check this balance, especially before purchasing new hosting services or upgrading your existing plans, just to ensure everything is in order. Keep in mind that managing your balance effectively can prevent any unexpected interruptions in your hosting services. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to check your Hostinger balance. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these steps to help streamline your hosting experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy navigating your Hostinger dashboard with confidence and ease.